Hello guys, it's been another week, and it's been a while since I posted a video on YouTube. So let's see what I got here. So this is a trade I'm currently in. This is USD CHF. So I'm currently in this setup. Let me break it down a little. So on the daily level, I actually picked my analysis from the weekly upcoming. So as you can see over here, we are currently bearish on the weekly time frame. As you can see over here, as it's been very bearish, as you can see. And even here, this box over here, you can see the weekly candle over here. The last week it closed bullish, so automatically this week you have to create bearish over here. Something like that. So let's go to the daily time frame. So I've marked out my area of interest on the daily or on the weekly time frame. So as you can see on the daily too, you can see here it was some kind of like minor trend over here, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher lows, and then price broke down very strongly over here, and then we created another high over here. So what I'm doing is just anticipating for price to create another low here. This is what I'm anticipating, just following the market structure, something like this, right? Price to create a low over here. So as you can see, so I actually got my confluence on the forward chart. So I mark out this trend line as a trend line liquidity, and this is my area of interest over here. And how did I manage to get this trade? I've marked out my trend line liquidity, targeting this as my take profit over here. So what should I wait for? I'll just waited for the price on the forward chart to just shift bearish. So as you can see, it was doing high highs and then broke this low over here, and then we shifted bearish over here. So what did I wait for? I waited for this 4-hour candle over here to create a low, and then refuse to take out this high over here. So as you can see, price came there, you rejected, and that was a signal that helped me to that trade. Then I lower down to the 1 hour and then took my entry. So I actually took this entry because of this candle over here, this type of candle formation over here. And I normally take my entry from the 15 minutes and the 5 minutes too. What I actually wait for on the 15 minutes or the 5 minutes is just something like double top or double bottom, and then I take it. So this is how I'm currently in this trade, and it looks like it's going against me, but I actually took this trade on last week Friday, so I'm still holding. The spread on this trade is kind of weird, but I don't know, maybe after this trade I have to maybe remove this pair from my watch list. The spread on this pair is kind of huge. So this is my watch list. This the pairs that I've marked with the red tick is those pairs that have like a potential setup over here. So this is GN, British pound, NZD, as you can see over here. It's currently bullish. And the weekly, you can see we are bullish, and as you can see, it's at its peak, like it created a high on the weekly, so automatically you have to create a low, and then we have to continue the buy. So what I'm actually waiting for is, I drew my area of interest over here, 1, 2, 3 on the daily. I mark out my trend line liquidity that I'll target for my take profit. So what I'm actually waiting for is price should just break this high over here, and then come to this area, and then we pick our entry from this area. My target is when price broke this line over here. If there is no area of interest over there, or maybe a psychological level over there, what I'll do is that I'll mark out my fib. Maybe the price closed over here on the forward chart, I'll take my fib over here and then draw it from the body, and then I'll wait for price to retrace to 50% of it, and then I'll enter on this row. So yeah, and I have another setup on British pound card. The same scenario over here, the same scenario. I mark out, I found my barriers, the direction of the market on the weekly and the daily, and then I wait for my targets. I draw my trend line liquidity on the forward chart, and then I target my trend line liquidity as take profit. So these two, the same thing that is going on. On the weekly we are bullish, on the daily daily too we are bullish, and we are actually at its low, so automatically you have to go up. It have to go up, unless on the 4HR it fails to break this line over here, this line over here. So what I'm actually waiting for it to break here, retest, and then we buy, we hop on it. This is what I'm actually waiting for. British pound card and Euro AUD, the same thing, the same scenario I've been teaching, the same scenario. So this is it. But right now, what I'm actually in is USD CHF. This is the setup I'm actually in. It's actually going against me, but I still in. Let me check it out over here. Check it out. We are still in, guys. We are still in the trade. This trade, when it comes to my stop, that means the price is not actually going down again. So I'm still positive on this trade. We are still in. So this is it. USD CHF. This is my 5% profit account, and let me check my fundamentals. This is my fundamental account. So I'm actually targeting 1:2 at 2%, and on this both account I'm actually in drawdown. Yeah. From this past month I've been in drawdown for the whole beginning of this year. Actually, the beginning of this year, for the first 3 months I was actually profitable, and then it went off, and then I went to drawdown, but now I think I'm back and everything should be okay. I'm ready to do everything. So thank you guys.